Hi friends, let's create an impact shake like this one. And let's get right into it. Put your footage that has an impact in it on your timeline and then go to the effects library. In the effects library, go to OpenFX, and in the OpenFX, search for the camera shake. Drop it on your clip. Go at the start of your clip for now, and then go into the inspector and drag your motion scale and the speed scale all the way down. Then let's go with the playhead until a point before the impact, and let's set some keyframes. And then let's go ahead some frames where the impact happens, and then let's drag up the motion scale and the speed scale. And what I like to do is I like to go to the start and then stop after the impact has been shaken, so that I can see how long I want to have it actually. So let's play that. And I think here would be a good moment to end that. So what I do is I set new keyframes, and then I go a little bit ahead with the playhead, and then I bring it all down to 0 again. And then let's have a look how the whole thing looks in full screen. Yeah, I think we can live with that. I hope you have fun with this, and I thank you very much for watching, enjoying the playlist and subscribing. Thank you very much. Have a great day ahead. Goodbye, and don't get too shaken.